Hi friends! So you're not gonna tell me this is not the cutest thing I made recently on my channel. As you can see, today we are making this cute wristlet for your phone. Mine is extra secure, you can clip it. So I will tell you later how to do it. This is my new one. And I will show you how it's going to look after a few months of using. Maybe consider not taking white because it's a little bit dirty, but as for the knots, everything is still holding very much up. This one is bigger, but I think smaller is more secure. So let's do this one. Here, everything we gonna need. Start with yellow cord and flower cord. So now I pick smarter color blue, fold it in half, and take keychain. Let's attach this with lark's head knot. So take it in half, both your cords. Okay, go through this lower loop, smaller loop, like this. So we have, okay, and with both loops open, go with keychain like this and tighten your knot, and perfect, cute, easy lark's head knot. Amazing. So tape this to the table, extra security, some weight. Amazing. Take green cord, also fold it in half. Those cords are quite long, so make sure to not make a mess like I just did. This is the middle point. Now put it under the middle cords and leave some space, about 1.5 centimeters, half inch. This is going to be this slim part, so like this. We'll be back here later. Now let's go to making square knots. So on side green cords, in middle rest of the cords. First right cord, over middle cord, left cord, over it, left cord, under middle cord, and through the loop. So here, here, and tighten the first part of this square knot. Okay, remember to leave some space here. And second part, left cord over the middle cords, right over it, and right cord under the middle cords and through this loop. Okay, amazing. Tighten it. And this is our first square knot. So let's make another one. Okay, time for the flower. First we need to arrange this green cords like this. One point going to the right, one to the left, and with green cords. Take one green cord right and going through this loop, and now to the down. Okay, so we have this small here. Another the same but on the left side, so left cord going up here and down again. Okay, yeah, are we good? Okay, so slowly tighten it. We should be able to see mostly blue cords. This is how it should look. Okay, I'm retape us a little higher. Okay. Now bring green cords inside and blue cords outside. Okay, so blue, greens, yellow. First, right side. We're going this lark's head knot, but horizontal version. So first going with blue cord over the green, and now through this loop, so under through the loop. Okay, and tighten first half of this knot. Okay, now going under the green loop and the green cord, so like this, and through the loop. Okay, and tighten this part of the knot. Okay, and let's go for the left part. So same steps. First over the green and through the loop, tighten it, and now under the loop, under the green and through the loop. Cute. Tighten it, and beautiful. We are in the middle of the flowers. So now going with green outside, take your green cord out at the outside part and cross blues. So blue one to the right and to the left, second one. And now we're going to make this knot, so lark's endless fall knots, but with yellow cords, both of course. So first right going through here and back down. Okay, and left here and back down. Now again slowly tighten it. Here, so we have this small part, yellow part, and let's go back to the making petals. So bring greens inside. So now we have blue, green and yellow in the middle, and repeat this knot. So lark's head horizontal knot. First over, okay, we have finished both petals, and now middle part. So again, cross greens, put the blues under them, and endless fall. So here, here, and tightening. The more you tighten now this green cords, they are inside of the flower, the smaller flower will be. Okay, so I'm tightening, and my flower is really small. Okay. Now add 2 basic square knots on all those cords. So okay, so we have 2 square knots, 1 flower, 2 square knots, and let's continue making them. Okay, so let's recap. So first, 2 square knots, done. Next, blue endless fall knots. Next, on sides, left and right, 1 horizontal lark's head knot. Next, yellow middle part with endless knot. Again, horizontal lark's head knot, and blue endless falls. So this is the flower pattern, and again 2 square knots, etc, etc. I think you saw enough, so see you later. Okay, so here we are. This is my 12 flowers. So this is time for making this loop shape. So take all the ends and go with them through this loop on the bottom of keychain. Now let's align our flowers. Mainly first flower. We can pin it up, or I have this little clips to make it like not move around. Okay, because now we are going to make this big green part. So yeah, align cords to make it pretty. I like to put yellow inside, next flower color, so here blue, and on sides green. Now take those green cords and start making, start making square knots. Start near the keychain and go down towards these flower parts, okay? Now I think I can squeeze here another half of the knot, but first cut everything down. So last chance to align cords, make it prettier. I think it's okay. Now cut it really close to the knots. And now with the last half or even full knot, cover those ends. Should I squeeze one more? Oh yeah, I can. Okay, so here we are. We're almost done. Now we can unpin. The loop is done. Last part is to secure this and hide these green cords. And now trim the ends. So this is how it is looking right now. What do you think? Blue is prettier or white? If you like, you can add this security knob here inside the main loop. So take one. There is no easy way, macrame way to inside this one here, but good old needle and thread is the way to go. Where do I want this one? I think in second flower will be okay. and make sure to align those 2 points. I can see my one green end escape, but no problem at all. Just go with your crochet hook, insert inside the square knot and pull it again. Okay, now we are done. So here, blue one with snap and white. Which color would you prefer? And one last time, I think, how you attach this one to your phone. You need this, whoops, wait. You need this little piece of plastic. It could be clear like mine, so I hope you can see. And I think you can insert this one inside your phone case, and this loop going out through the USB charger. So near the USB charger, so this is very simple to attach. As you can see, mine is one is a little longer because this part here is much longer than this one on white, and you can make flowers bigger or smaller, so again, small differences in size can occur here. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, for sticking to the end. If you like what I'm doing here, you can support me on Coffee, buy me a coffee. This is like one-time donation thing, and it's really helping me to continue making this stuff for you for free on YouTube. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.